Okay, so let's have a look at for loops together with dictionaries. Well, the structure is as you might expect. We have for keyword and then something in dictionary. The thing you have to know, which might not be obvious for you, if we use a for loop with dictionaries, by default we only iterate through keys of the dictionary. So if I run this code, you will see that the output is vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. So the only thing that Python will iterate through are the keys present in the dictionary. However, very often you want also to have print values of a dictionary, and then you can do it in the following way. There is a specific method on dictionaries called .items, which actually changes, gets the key value pairs of a dictionary, and then we can use a structure like this. So let's have a look at what this thing is. So basically, this is a dictionary of items. So we have pairs where we have a name of a key and a value, something which looks like this. This has a type, which is dictionary of items, and this dictionary of items contains both keys and values. So if you want to access these things, we can say that for each key and value, key comma value in ice cream prices items, so dictionary of items, print key. Key will be the key, so vanilla or strawberry or chocolate, plus here we want to have a colon and space, and then the value converted to a string type. So if I run this, I will get the keys and the values printed in a nice manner. Okay, so this is how you use for loops with dictionaries. In the next videos, we will talk about how you can add or remove things from a dictionary. So thank you for your attention and see you later.